I'm doing some collard greens, and these are collard greens that I picked from my collard tree. I blanched them and froze them, so now they're ready. I've got ham hocks in my pressure cooker, and the little alarm just beeped, so I know that it's time to peek and see how far done they are. What I actually do is I cook the ham hock separate so that I can get the flavor out of the ham hock, and then I add the greens and the onion, the bay leaves, garlic. I've got some red pepper in there, vinegar, salt and pepper. These are my ham hocks. They were pressure cooked, and so they've been rendered. And I'm going to take, actually I'm going to leave them in there and just put my greens in with it and all the other components, and later on I'll take the ham hocks out. So at this point I'm going to be adding bay leaves, the garlic, and the red pepper. Got my onions, which are sliced. Let's mix that up a bit. And I'm not going to put the salt and pepper in there yet because I don't know how much salt I got from the ham hocks yet, so I'll taste it after I get closer to done with the collard greens. I added my blanched collard greens. They're still a little frozen, but that's okay. I'll put this on a short pressure cook and get it to another stage. Short meaning I'm probably going to put it on about a 15-20 minute pressure cook. The greens are done. I separated the meat from the ham hocks, and that's there in the center. Could eat